Hi, welcome. In this tutorial. We will walk you through how to use Writecream AI article writing feature. So let's get started. So first of all, if you don't have Writecream account, so go ahead, log into your account, and you can also sign up on the website for free. Now once you logged in, you will be able to take into the dashboard. Now let's navigate to the article writing feature. In the first box, you will enter the topic or the subject you want the article to be up. You can add key points or instruction for the AI to follow. Adding a few points can help guide the AI to generate content more aligned with your needs. Writecream AI will take a few seconds to process the information and generate a full length article for you. After the article is generated, it will be appear on the screen. Review it to see it if meets your expectations. You can easily edit any part of the article if needed. Once you are satisfied with the article, you can download it in various format like Word or PDF, or simply copy to the text to the clipboard. You have now successfully created an article using Writecream AI. With just a few clicks, you can generate high quality content in no time and a happy writer. You can Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore more feature on Writecream AI. Take your content creation to the next level.